Good morning, students. So we are doing chapter 6 political parties. We have discussed what do you mean by political party and what are the functions of political party and why do we need political parties. Today we will start about the party system. Party system means different party system. You know very well in our country there are a lot of parties, there are so many parties, but if we will check in other countries like China, there is only one party. USA there are only two parties. In United Kingdom also there are two parties. So why this party system is different in other countries and we have also a lot of parties. So we will discuss about this party system in the complete world. So first is given one party system. One party system, in some countries only one party is allowed to control and run the government. In China, if you will see, there are only one communist party that is ruling in the country. They do not allow in their country to make any other party. चाइना में क्या है, सिर्फ एक ही पार्टी है और पार्टी का नाम क्या है, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. सो in some countries only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one party system. It means mostly those are the non-democratic countries, they have the one party system. Example is given China. For example, in China there are only one party, that is the name of that party is Communist Party, and flag of this party is this, that is shown in this. Next we will discuss about the two party system. In some countries like USA and United Kingdom, they have two party system. In some countries power is shared between two main parties. In USA there are Democratic and Republican party. Such party system is called two party. The United States of America and United Kingdom are the example of two party system. So in these countries there are only two party system. It means there are only two party, not more than two parties. Now we will discuss about the multi party system that is found in India. So in multi party system, if several parties compete for power and more than two parties have reasonable chance of winning, we call it a multiple पार्टी सिस्टम. यानी जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा पार्टी होती है और सभी के पास चांस होता है जीतने का, दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. मल्टी का मतलब देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पार्टीज इन आवर कंट्री. मोर देन 700 पार्टीज आर देयर इन आवर कंट्री. In India we have a multi-party system. Since multi-party system tend to offer more choices to the voter, it is often considered better than the other party system. Now, sometimes this question is asked, why multi-party system is better than the one party and two party system? So, answer is given, multi-party system give more choices to the voter. It means if you have more choices, you can get the better party. यानी अगर आपके पास दो ही ऑप्शन हैं तो हो सकता है दोनों ही अच्छे ना लगे आपको, तो to whom you will give the vote. And if there is only one party, then you do not have any option. But if we will see in multi-party system, we have lot of choices. So on the basis of those choices, we can cast our vote and we can get the better result or better party system in our country. So multi-party system is better than these one and two party system. In our country, we have seen this. So if question is asked why multi-party system is better than the other party system, so you will write down that we have more choices. That's why it is better party system for us. So we have discussed about this. Now next is given comparison between two party system and multi-party system. Now they have compared the between two party system and multi-party system. So two party system, there are two party system presents voters a simple choice. What is given in this two party system? Voter have only simple two party system. It means they have the only two choices. But in multi-party system there are lot of choices to them. In two party system only a simple, but in multi party system they have the many choices. This provides for a stable government. In two party system if one party will be the winner, so there will be a stable government. Stable का मतलब स्थिर गवर्नमेंट, यानी वो उथल पुथल नहीं होती, वो गवर्नमेंट 4-5 years तक कंटिन्यू चलती है. Government is not stable in this system. In multi-party system, you have seen when single party does not get the majority, so they are taking support of other parties. जो छोटी छोटी पार्टी है उनकी support लेकर सरकार बनाती है. Sometimes what happened, these small parties they do not after sometimes they take their supports. वो अपनी support वापस ले लेती है, तो उससे क्या होता है, सरकार गिर जाती है और 5 साल से पहले इलेक्शन करवाने पड़ते हैं. तो इसमें स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है. मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम में इसमें स्टेबिलिटी है. Two party system are not as flexible because they have a more or less get rigid set of opinions on every issue. It means टू पार्टी सिस्टम इज नॉट फ्लेक्सिबल. फ्लेक्सिबल का मतलब लचीलापन नहीं है उसके अंदर, उसके रिजिडनेस है. यानी दो पार्टी है, दोनों की आइडियोलॉजी आपको एक को मानना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड और यू हैव टू लिसन द आइडियाज ऑफ वन पार्टी. आपको एक पार्टी का सुनना पड़ेगा. आपके पास कोई ऐसा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि आप उसको छोड़ सको. ए मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम इज मोर रिस्पॉन्सिव टू ए चेंज और ए शिफ्ट इन पब्लिक ओपिनियन. But if we will see in the multi-party system, we have a lot of choices, so we can listen the all parties views and then we can decide that to whom we will give the vote. तो हमारे पास इसके अंदर बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल जाती है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है हमारे इस पार्टी सिस्टम के अंदर. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास कई पार्टीज़ का ऑप्शन आ जाता है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन टू पार्टी सिस्टम एंड मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन USA एंड UK. एग्जाम्पल नेक्स्ट इज गिवन इंडिया. सो दिस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट ए पार्टी सिस्टम. दोज आर फाउंड इन द complete world.